Before I start this rant, I just let you know that my rant series is here. Anyways, enjoy. Sunny Day, what? More like stupid gay? Oh my god, this show sucks. This show is about Sunny Day and her friends, then they like to go on failure adventures. Sunny Day is a terrible leader. She hangs out with Rox and Blair, which both suck. Her dog Doodle is Sunny Day's sidekick. If I saw him in real life, I will kill him chocolate. Rox is a terrible Sunny's friend. And Blair, well, nobody gives a crap about her, not 1 or 2 either, not even 4. The animation is crap, the music is gay, and the songs are cringeworthy. I hope the show gets cancelled soon, and I hope it gets taken off the air after it got cancelled. Do you know who likes this show? Rants S1, but I respect her opinion on it. And do you know who hates this show? Funtime Gamer 74. He hates that show with a flaming passion. So forget Sunny Day, and forget Lalaloopsy. iCarly is 1032194594959495994959495949594959345 times better than Sunny Day. End of rant. Next rant, Little Einsteins. After the Little Einsteins rant, Bob the Builder. After the Bob the Builder rant, Fishtronaut. After the Fishtronaut rant, Kid vs. Cat. And after the Kid vs. Cat rant, Ever After High.